Let's see. Let's see your wings. Let's see your wings. Let's see your wings. Whee! Look at that. Let me see your wings. Let me see your wings. Come on, let me see your wings. 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 Oh, look, it's so pretty. I'm so pretty, Mommy. I got big, long wings. Big wings. Can you say something? Can you say Go fly, go fly. Whee! I'm gonna fly. Okay, I'll let you get my teeth. Just for a little bit. Only for a little bit. Only for a little bit. Okay, I just flossed. You don't need to do it. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to let you go next time. Oh, you got stuck in there. You got stuck in there. I love you. I'm so beautiful. My name is Scarlet, everyone. Look how pretty I am. Look how pretty I am. I like to show my wings off a little. I love you. Oi, 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 I love you. I love you. A terrific experimental system where you can study what we call mechanism of pathogenesis. How does the disease come about? So we're going to have a... Can you say goodbye to the camera? Say bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Let me begin with you, John. Tell me
bye-bye.
These neurological disorders and how we approach them.
Right, so I think following what Eric said,
I just want Mommy's teeth. I think I want Mommy's teeth. That's all I want. That's all I want. Someone help me. Ah!
in everyday life, our behavior is seamless, so easy.